Hi guys, you know what today is? Today is National Food Truck Day. So guess what? We're going to a food truck and gonna get some food. Let's go. So here's the menu. And everything's a la carte, so you can leave it. Everything's a la carte. Alright, I'm eating in the car. It is too hot out there. So I moved to a shaded area and I'm sitting there eating. And I got a steak tostada and a steak gordita. Now I've had the tostadas here before, and this is at Tacos, my friend. And those were good. I've never had a gordita, so. And that must be, I think this must be the tostada. You buy everything a la carte. You can buy as many as you want, you know, but for, I think I spent, what did I spend? $6. $3 on each. And I'm telling you, they will fill you up. So today is a good day for you to go out there to your local food trucks and support your local food trucks. Especially today, because it's National Food Truck Day. So I'm gonna eat my food from the food truck. You go eat yours and have a good day. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Bye.